Good morning, dear students. I hope all are keeping fine at home. Last class, we have completed exercise 7.3, question number 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 1, I told you have to do in your book. No need to do in your classwork copy. Then question number 2, 3 and 4, you have to do some questions in your, I have uploaded that notes in your website. You can see and do it in your copy. You no need to do each and every problems in your copy. I told you that some of the problem you supposed to do in your copy. Rest of the problem, if you want more practice, you can do in your rough copy. Then question number 5 and 6 we have cancelled from our topic. Okay, you no need to do that problems in your copy, question number 5 and 6. Then we are learned division by 10 and 100. While dividing by 10, from the ones place, one number will change into remainder and rest of the number will change into quotient. Dividing by 100, last two numbers change into remainder and rest of the number change into quotient. Dividing by 1000, last three numbers will change into quotient and rest of the number change into last three numbers change into remainder, rest of the numbers change into quotient. And I told you have to do exercise 3 and 4 and question number 3 and 4, and I will explain that. I will tell the answers now. I hope all have done that. Those who are done, please you can check it. If the answer is correct, you can just make a tick mark. If the answer is wrong, please make sure to correct the answer yourself. Okay. The 376, I am not going to write it on the board. Just I am telling the answer. You check your book. 376 divided by 10. Quotient is 37. Remainder is 6. 400 divided by 10. Quotient is 40. Remainder is 0. 8500 divided by 10. Quotient is 850. Remainder is 0. 3695 divided by 10. 369 is quotient and remainder is 5. 4932 divided by 10. 493 is quotient and 2 is remainder. Next one, find quotient and remainder in each case and complete the table. 200 divided by 100. Dividing by 100, last two numbers will change as remainder. 0, 0, that means 0. 0 is quotient. 0 is remainder and 2 is quotient. Then 365 divided by 100. 3 is quotient. 65 is remainder. 100 divided by 100. 1 is quotient and 0 is remainder. 9373 divided by 100. 93 is quotient and 73 is remainder. 842 divided by 100. 8 is quotient and 42 is remainder. Okay. Next one, word problem. A boy paid rupees 980 for 10 copies. What is the cost of each copies? Here I have written on the board. Cost of 10 copies, 980 rupees. Cost of each copy, 980 rupees divided by 10. For dividing by 10, last one number is changed into remainder and rest of the number change into quotient. So here 0 is in ones place. So 0 means nothing. So rest of the number 98, that is change into quotient. That means 98 rupees. Cost of one notebook is 98 rupees. Next question. The hotel bill was rupees 5,000. Renu has 100 rupees note, and how many notes will she have to give? The hotel bill was rupees 5,000. Renu has 100 rupees notes. How many notes will she have to give? How can we do? Amount of bill rupees 5,000. Number of 100 rupees notes 5,000 divided by 100. That is, for dividing by 100, last number, two numbers are changed into remainder. That is 0. Then rest of the number is changed into quotient. 50. 50 notes. Next one, exercise 7.5. Exercise 7.5. Kalu packed 200 ladus equally in 8 boxes. How many ladus will each box contain? How many ladus will be left behind? Here, we have to write the proper statement. Whenever we do the word problem, please make sure to write proper statement. Don't write just like something. Here number has given. Since the number is given, we can write a number of ladus. That should be some decency. Okay. Here number of ladus. That is 200. And number of boxes are given there. How many boxes are there? 8 boxes. Number of boxes 8. Then number of ladus in each box. Number of ladus in each box, that is 200 divided by 8. 200 divided by 8. Let's see what is 200 divided by 8. First we have to take 20. How many 2s are 8s are in 20? 8 2s are 16. The next step, subtraction. 20 minus 16, 4. Here 0 comes down. 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40, 0. What is quotient? How many ladus in each box? 25. How many ladus left behind? No. Number of ladus left behind? Number of ladus left. How many ladus? 0. That also we are supposed to write. Number of ladus left, 0. Next question, the product of two numbers is 161. If one number is 7, find the other number. Now let's read next question. 636 plants are arranged equally in 6 rows in a garden. How many plants are there in each row? 636 plants are arranged equally in 6 rows in a garden. How many plants are there in each row? Now let's see. Here I have written. Now let me read this third question. Number of plants 636. Then number of rows 6. Number of plants in each row. That means how many plants are there in one row? 6 plants, 6 rows are there. Total 636 plants, and that plants are there in 6 rows. So number of plants in one row means 636 divided by 6. 636 divided by 6. This word problem, rough work you do in the margin. Okay. Many times I have told you, whenever you do the word problem, please do the rough work in the margin. Then here 6. How many 6 are in 6? 1. Next step, 1 6 are 6. Do the subtraction. Then 3 comes down. See that 3 is remainder. No, that 3 comes from the dividend. That 3 is smaller than 6. So we have to place 0 here in the place of quotient. Then same process, 0 divided by 6, 0. Then do the subtraction, 3 minus 0, 3. Then 6 come down. Here 6 6 are 36. 36 minus 36 0. Then how many plants are there in each row? 106. That 106, that is the answer. 106 plants. 106 plants are there in one row. Okay. Then question number 2 I did not tell you. I am going to tell you now. Please look your book. The product of two number is 161. If one number is 7, find the other number. The product of two numbers A multiplied by B is equal to 161. A multiplied by, we don't know the number, one number is there. 7 multiplied by B is equal to 161. The product of two numbers 161. Here I have given x multiplied by y. Okay, x multiplied by y is equal to 161. X is equal to, what is the first number? That is x. That is 7. That 7 has given in the book. Okay, first number x, that is given in the book. Then second number, how will get second number? 161 divided by 7. 161 divided by 7. Let's see. 161 divided by 7. How many 7s are in 16? 2. 2 7s are 14. Next step, subtraction. Here 21. How many 7s are in 21? 3. 3 7s are 21. What is the second number? Second number is 23. What is the answer? 23. Okay. Answer always should be underlined with a double line. Then we will be able to know that is the final answer. Whenever you do in your exam also, please make sure the final answer, if you do word problem or solving, the final answer it should be underlined with a double line. Then only it can clear that is the final answer. Okay. Next one, fourth question. 5 bags contain 100 books. 5 bags contain 100 books. How many books are there in each bag containing equal number of books? There are 5 books. 5 bags are there. 5 bags are there. Each bag contains equal number of books. Okay. Then how many total 100 books are there? They arranged the book 100 books arranged equally in the 5 bags. Then how many books are there in one bag? How will we find out? How can we find 100 number of books? 100 number of bags 5 number of books in each bag. 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5 I am going to write here. You have to write down. Okay. 100 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10 0. Then 0 comes down. 0 came from the dividend. So we have to place 0 here. Okay. 0 comes from dividend. So we have to place 0 here. Then do the multiplication. Then 0 will get 0 multiplied by 5. 0. Then do the subtraction. Then we'll get 0. Then what is the quotient? 20. How many books will be there in one bag? 20 books. Here we have to write 20 books. Okay. This all word problem, please you write neatly in your copy. Whatever I am giving in the class as well as whatever I am giving in your website, that are homework pages. Okay. Then next revision exercise. First one, page number 122. Multiple choice question. Multiple choice question. First one, when 538 is divided by 10, the remainder is. Whenever we divide a number by 10, last one number is changed as remainder and rest of the number is changed into quotient. So remainder is 8. Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus dash. What? That is remainder. When divisor is same as dividend, the quotient will be, when dividend and divisor comes to same number, quotient will be, whenever we divide a number by itself, we always get 1. That is 1. Okay. Now, exercise 2 and 3. We have done lot of problem. So, please you do exercise 2 and 3. Question number 2. A, B, C, that is your homework. Question number 2, A, B, C, that you do in your classwork copy. D, E, F. If you want, you can do in your F copy, otherwise you can leave it. Okay, question number 2, D, E, F. A, B, C, do in your classwork copy. D, E, F, you can do it in your rough copy. Or if you don't want, you no need to. Those who are sure you have learned, no need to do. Those who want more practice, let them do in the rough copy. Question number 3. Divide and verify your answer. That also we have done. 3 exercise we have done that. That A, B, C do in your classwork copy. Rest of the problem, if you want, you can do in your rough copy. Okay, is it clear? Afterwards, don't tell me this not explaining this way, that whatever things we want to write in our classwork copy or rough copy, please don't tell. I am telling here clearly. Please listen it and do according to that. Now itself you can write down or note down in your book. Classwork copy, whatever things we are cancelling, just you make cross in that question. Then question number 4. Word problem. Question number 4, word problem. A businessman traveled 4,500 kilometers in 5 months. How much did he travel in 1 month? 5 months he traveled 4,500 kilometers. So, how much did he travel in 1 month? Let's see that. Okay. Revision exercise. Question number 4. First one. A businessman traveled 4,500 kilometers in 5 months. How much did he travel in 1 month? Here, distance is given. So, we cannot write a number of kilometers travel. We can't write. Don't write like that. Here we have to here kilometers are given. So, we can write the distance. So, distance travel in 5 months. Distance travel in 5 months. How much distance he traveled? 4,500 kilometer. 4,500 kilometer he traveled. And what is the question? Distance traveled in 1 month. So, here we can write distance traveled in 1 month. That is 4,500 kilometers for 5 months. That 4,500 kilometers divided by 5. Here you have supposed to write a kilometer also. 4,500 kilometers divided by 5. Let's see. 4,500 divided by 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 minus 45, 0. Then 0 comes down. And here also 0. 0 divided by 0 multiplied by 5, 0. Again 0 comes down. Here also we write 0. Then how much kilometer? 900 kilometer. This kilometer, that is very important. Okay, write the unit there. What is the answer? 900 kilometer. Answer is 900 kilometer. Next question. A farmer has 8 bags. He has to put 320 kilograms of potatoes in all these bags equally. How much potatoes will he put in each bag? Here number of potatoes can you write? No, we cannot write a number of potatoes. We have to put that quantity of potatoes. How much? 320 quantity. Okay, don't write the number of potatoes or amount of potatoes, or we can't write any other things. You write quantity of potatoes. That is 320 kg. You write the unit. Whenever there is some unit, please, if this amount you write rupees, if it is quantity you write kg, if it is capacity you write liter, that should be there. Okay. Number only, we no need to write anything. Otherwise, we have to write the unit along with the number. Then number of bags 8. Quantity of potatoes in each bag 320 divided by 8. 320 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32. Then this 0 comes from the dividend. You don't complete your division here because 0 from the dividend. So we place 0 here and do the multiplication 0. Then only we have to stop our division. What is the answer? 40 kg. 40 kg of potatoes will contain in one bag. Answer 40 kg. Next one. An account checks 231 files in a week. If he checks the same number of files daily, how many files does he check in a day? An account checks 231 files in a week. If he checks the same number of files daily, how many files does he check in a day? Here we can write the number of files. See here, since here it is number, so I have not written any unit along with this number. Okay. Here, number of files checked in a week, 231. And then, number of files in a day, or number of files checked in a day. One day, how many files checked? Then, 1 week means how many days? 7 days. In 7 days, he checked 231 files. So, 1 day, how many files he checked? How can we find 231 divided by 7? 231 divided by 7. I am going to write here 231 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 23 minus 1. 21 again. Here 3. How many files he checked? 33 files. Here we can write 33 files. What is the answer? 33 files. Now we have completed our Unit 7 division. So whatever the problems I have given in your homework page, please make sure to do in your copy itself. Classwork copy. What I have uploaded, that please you do in your classwork copy. And rest of the problem you can practice in your ref copy. Then whatever the questions are given like this type of problems, you do in your book only. You no need to do in your copy. Okay. Now we have completed our this chapter. Now let's meet next class with the new portions. Thank you. Have a nice day.